Today we replaced the switch for the lift, installed and failed to bleed a replacement clutch slave cylinder, and then loosely cobbled together the exhaust, or what was left of it. So stick around. Alright, step one. I'm going to turn off all these circuit breakers. I don't remember which one is for the lift and not, but just turn them all off. That way we're safe. Look at that cutie. Such a cutie. Here's our replacement part. Looks like the blade of the other one is still stuck in this one, so I have to pull that out. Got it out. Doesn't seem quite right, but it's close. Got our switch in there. It's pretty nice. I don't know what that's even in there to be quite. Oh, I see. It's supposed to go like this. There's a certain way this was oriented before. I just don't remember how it was. And obviously, I pulled it out in some haste. It's upside down, but I don't really care. All right, there we go. Doesn't feel great. Feels like a little sticky maybe, but it's releasing every time. I'm gonna go turn the circuit breaker back on and we'll give it a test and see how it does. Seems like it works. All right, time to get to work. We're going to try to do the slave cylinder first. I guess we don't technically need to open the hood for that, but we will when we bleed it. Up we go. So we are going to take out this slave cylinder here and replace it. And hopefully we'll be able to bleed it. But who knows if that'll happen or not. Oh, those are 10s or 8s there. Maybe we're doing the wrong side here. The nut and bolt. That's cool. Maybe annoying. Ours is a 15 wrench and an extension. Let's get our work table under here. Thing on it. I don't know what it is. It's like it was a washer or a spacer or something. It's fucking strange. Built into the nut, maybe just to keep it from spinning. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Kind of silly if you ask me. We're gonna make this weird nut that's got this like triangular piece on the end of it. Keep it from spinning instead of just welding the nut to the freaking bell housing. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to get this line off, hopefully without damaging it or breaking it. I think that roll pin has to come out. You can look at the new part and see maybe. Alright, on our new part here, you can see there's a pin here. That's right where the roll pin goes in, and that holds the line in somehow. So I'm also going to find the right Allen key to get that out, because I'm pretty sure that's the bleed screw. So make sure we can pull that out. Alright, we got what we need. See if we can knock this roll pin out and not damage it. Got it out. Thing is stuck in there real good. Alright, here. There we go. And obviously we had to replace this because, you know, it fell apart. Look at this and see. There is some form of O-ring on there. I don't know if that's going to hold still. but we'll probably just whack it on there. Maybe we'll lube it up with some oil so it goes in nicely. We'll see how it goes. I'm just bending it. Yeah, I just bent it. Fun. Oh, I broke it off. I guess that's all of the roll pin that we get on that one. Alright, now we'll get the cutters and cut that little zip tie off. Alright then. And I guess we'll just pop this loose. Back here. Throw a catch pan up under it. There's some brake fluid in it. So it's got some kind of fluid in it already. And wait till it drips. Kind of gravity bleed it a little bit first, and then we'll full on bleed it when we have someone here to help. Go ahead and throw that in there and see how badly things leak. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere at all. Sit in the car and see if the clutch pedal does anything, maybe. Go back up in the air and see if it is dripping at all. Nothing dripping out at all. Okay, put it all the way down for me. All right, all the way up. Put it down. Just sit and pump it for me. Not feeling anything at all. Alright, we're gonna need to put a master cylinder in this thing. You see that rod? See how rusty it is? I don't know if that's an issue or not. We may have to pull that line off. We sat and tried to bleed it for a while and it wouldn't bleed at all. So we may have to pull the line off the other side of the master and see if we can blow through it, see if it's blocked up or something. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly, but it'll need some more work to get the clutch working. So, all right, here's a great example of some cost cutting that we're doing. We are going to reuse some of this exhaust from the parts car, and it is not good. Like, one thing would be rusty old exhaust parts, but this is cobbled together garbage, basically. But it's going to be fine for now. So we're going to cobble it together as best we can, and it's going to be fine. So this front section is actually not too bad. These go up here to the actual manifolds, and they line up perfectly, so I don't have to adjust anything, which is nice. This back section here with what I assume to be a cat converter, which may or may not even be there, it's pretty loosely clamped on there. So we actually may need to unclamp it and take it off in order to get it in. That portion actually goes through where we have the lift here. So I'm not sure exactly how that's going to work. It may not fit when we have to set the whole car down and change how it's lifted. It's fine. That's one part. The sketchiness factor on that is pretty low, actually. Not too terrible. This part here is also not very sketchy. This will bolt right up to the end of this. Got all the hardware here. It's fine. No gasket needed. Again, I'll Scotch-Brite that and Scotch-Brite that and clamp them real tight. It'll seal just fine. This is where it gets really, really bad. So, first of all, there's no hangers on any of this. So we're probably going to have to fab up some hangers so it doesn't just fall out of the car. This is where it gets really gross, and where it kind of just gets to be, it is what it is for now. I don't really want to fix this, so we're just going to use it for now. I have no idea what this is. It's like exhaust tape. I'm pretty sure none of this is actually welded together. And then that part here at the end, this part right here, is definitely falling apart. So we may need to take up that portion off. We've got plenty of other pipe sitting around, so we can pipe spread and compress and whatever some pipe. to fit over that. And that will actually connect up with this piece right here. This will flip over and then go in that hole. And then this will go out the back. Also, no hangers. So, but this is all kinds of wrong. All kinds of wrong. Now, eventually, we're going to replace this K-member right here. They make a tubular one. It's much smaller and has much better clearance around these parts here and these parts here. And they make a set of long tube headers that actually will fit right through this gap here on both sides. And there is also a true dual exhaust all the way back that routes it all the way back. Sounds amazing. It's like $3,000. That's probably twice what I've spent on the car so far. So, but we'll have another solution eventually. You can put a mid-length header in these without any kind of modification of the K-member, but it would need some different other exhaust parts. So we'll shop around. Eventually, we'll end up with a better solution permanently. For now, this will at least let us do burnouts and you know, drive it around a little bit. Let's not spend $5 grand on exhaust when we don't really know if like the rear end's any good. We don't know if the transmission's been full of water for 6 months or 2 years. I know the guy that built this motor, so there's a decent chance that this thing explodes the first like 1,000 miles we drive it. Same. We have found hardware. I think these are right. They fit the bolt that I had matched up for it, which is this right here. So I think that they're right. I don't know for sure. We're going to put it up in the air and check and make sure. They're definitely a little loose. They're threading on. So they're going to work. All right, we've also got a donut gasket. I'm also going to need to take that part of the exhaust off, I think. Actually getting harder to come off as it goes. So that's exciting. Yeah, maybe we'll just put it down. It's really concerning that that pipe is cracked like that. Look at this absolute fat bastard right here. Oh, we did some sketchy lift work so we could get this in here because we can't get those parts apart. So we're gonna get it all up in there where it goes. I just don't have the leverage, you know? The leverage, as they say in France.
You know what else they say in France?
Oh, fuck are you, wee wee.
Bam! Bam! Oh my goodness, I'm dead.
Not again.
Oh, thanks. Oh!
What the helly? Oh, it's hitting the pan? What the fuck? I don't understand what I've done wrong. Oh, I see. It needs to come down more, but it's hitting the lift. They don't have to be thin. Just, oh yeah, those are perfect. All right, can you crush me a little bit? Can you go down on the lift just a hair? Slowly. A little more. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. That's enough slices. All right, hit the button for me. Keep going. All right, you're good. You want to take my nuts? Those are my nuts. All right, I gotta go inside real quick. Don't go anywhere.
No, you're gonna leave me out here all night. I'm gonna crush you with this lift.
Please. What the helly?
Heliante.
What the helly berries?
Helicarus.
What the helly Axis cowers?
See, oh, stop looking at me.
Scott, go to bed. Go to bed, Scott.
Hit yourself?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness, my dear.
sharp. I just barely cut it, so that's why it's sharp. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna hang this thing.
Hang what?
This. Oh my god, I'm bleeding like crazy.
You should go wash your hands real quick.
Watch your feet.
You can turn it on the hose.
Okay. I will need your help to balance this like so. Just come hold the tips here.
I'm gonna switch jobs.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. They're going on more? Angle's wrong still.
Stop! You dooted your pants!
Not again.
That's too slow. I don't know why I thought the whole thing was gonna come down.
All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up and figure out how badly the exhaust leaks. Pump on the gas pedal, crankage. It's loud. Yeah, I think it might be leaking out of that. Not really sure. Let me turn the light on here. That all I can make sense of that it would be leaking out of. They're just loose. Oh well, that's alright, that's fixable. We won't worry about that right now. So pretty much per the usual, we didn't really get much accomplished. But we got some parts installed. So thanks for watching. We will see you next time. Bye for now.